Welcome to the channel. I was thinking that it would be good to do that pump modification for its electricity or pressure switch, what I told in some video. And here is our patient. This is brand new Seaflow water pump, and there is that pressure switch, what I told. I have another pump on the Mississippi. It was made a different company, but this pressure switch don't like handle the current of this motor if there is no pressure tank. If you use that pump with only with water line without the pressure tank, this pump like starts every time when you open the faucet and run water through it. So it is very hard to this pressure switch. So this is the very poor diagram what I was using that another pump. Okay, I am using with the pressure tank my water systems with Mississippi and with Siku, as you can see in the previous videos. But this is the diagram how I connect those relays, and today's job is to do that. I am going to connect two of these light relays. These can handle like if I remember correct, this can handle like 30 amperes per relay. So there is like 60 amperes. So these can handle the current of this pump very easily. And for this like a wiring job, what I'm going to do now, it is easy to handle these relays. So I screw those relays on this plywood, piece of plywood. Later I will remove those relays from this plywood and put those relays on that table in the Siku's engine room. So this is my job for today. I will stay inside and enjoy my time in here. So first thing is to cut these or the main thing in here is that this pressure switch like control these relays, and through these relays goes that current which drives this motor. Yeah, I forgot my pliers, so I have to use scissors. Forgive me, it's not the proper way to do these things. But that is all what I have right now. If something happens with these relays that they damage or get damaged because of the current or whatever reason, it is very cheap to buy new ones of these than the pressure switch. This costs very much if you compare it, these light relays. These are something around 2 to 5 euros per piece, so it is very cheap and very easy to have those. You can go to the spare parts shop and buy those relays and you can continue. And you have to be very careful about this diagram for this relay, because these are two different type of relays. I just found out these from my scrap box, and those numbers tells you what belongs in where, but the order of these places are different in here, and it depends because those are like a different type of relays. So be careful about those. So this is the minus wire, and as you can see, this is the coil, and to the other coil goes minus, and another coil takes the power from the plus, which connect those pointers or close those pointers. So for example, if I'm putting this minus to the 85, I have to find, there is a numbers like a this relay 85 is over there, and in here it is over here too. But for example 86, what is the pair of this coil in this relay? 86 in here, but 86 in here, but in this another relay it's over here. These are pair for the coil, and these are pair for the coil in this relay. So this goes to the pressure switch, which drives relays. This another coil. another part of this coil, 86, and 86 on this relay is over there, and 86 on this relay is over there. Okay, so we have a minus in here, goes through the coil in here. And from the pressure switch comes the power which drives to the 86, and coils have a minus and plus, and when it has plus, it connects 30 and 87 together. 30 and 87 together. Now I need to find out 87, and it's both relays it has in here. Okay. What we need is 87 and power. This need like 12 volts, and this needs 12 volts. So I put this shrinking tubing on this cable just for the case that if there is like a water spills or something like that, it's protect that cable. I think that there is like a glue inside that it's protected pretty good, I think. You have to see those cables in here before you connect those. Or I think so, that you have to see those. 27. Oh no, 30. I need to find out number 30. So it's ready now. I did some like I put this shrinking tubing on those connectors and these cable ties and all those things, just like fussing around a bit, but yeah, it's ready now. And I did all those connections as I show you on that diagram, and so next thing is put it to the Siku. So, thank you for watching again, and please give some thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything to you, but it means to me a lot, since I know that you are in there and watching these videos, which is very good. And subscribe on my channel. That would be even great if you do that. But thank you for your watching, as I told you, and we will see on the next video. Bye.